Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore the tool Wireshark. Wireshark is used for packet capturing and packet sniffing. This tool is widely used by ethical hackers and security researchers. It's a very simple tool to operate. For this demonstration, we'll use Wireshark on Kali Linux running inside VirtualBox. Start by opening your terminal. To launch Wireshark in Kali Linux, type the following command: sudo Wireshark. Then, press enter. You'll be prompted to enter your Kali Linux password. Type it in and press enter. Wireshark will now open in the graphical interface. Since it's pre-installed in Kali Linux, there's no need to install it manually. This demo uses Kali Linux 2025.1a. Let's briefly look at the main menu options in Wireshark. Under the File menu, you'll find options to upload a new file or open a recent capture file that you worked on previously. We also have View menu. It lets you customize the interface by showing or hiding toolbars like the main toolbar, filter toolbar, wireless toolbar, and status toolbar. You can also switch to full screen mode and zoom in if needed. There's another menu called Go, useful for navigating through packet captures quickly. Next is the Analyze menu, where you can display filters, apply filters, and use decode as to interpret packet content based on custom protocols. Let's now see how to use Wireshark in practice. Since I'm using Ethernet, you'll see on the top right corner, wired connection listed. On the dashboard, under Capture, click on F0. This will start capturing packets. At first, you might see no packets captured. That's because there's no active traffic on the network yet. To generate traffic, open a new terminal window. Clear the screen and type ping 8.8.8.8. Then press enter. Switch back to Wireshark, and you'll now observe that packets are being captured in real time. In this case, your source is 8.8.8.8, which is the ping address, and your destination is 10.0.2.15, which is your local machine. The protocol being used is ICMP, and the packet length is 98 bytes. We can also see information which shows you exactly what packets are being sent during the capture. You'll also see different entries like frame 13, which might show 42 bytes on wire, 42 bytes captured. If you expand a capture frame, you'll find Ethernet source, destination addresses, and protocol type, such as ARP. This is how you capture, transfer requests, and analyze network traffic using Kali Linux. Wireshark also allows you to filter packets for easier analysis. In the filter bar, type small t, and you'll get suggestions like TCP. Select TCP.port equals 80 or UDP.port equals 80. Press enter to apply the filter. If there are no TCP packets on port 80 at the moment, no results will appear. To clear the filter and view all packets again, simply delete the filter and press enter. Thus, Wireshark is a widely used and highly effective tool for network analysts. Not just for packet capturing, but for comprehensive traffic analysis as well.